Is that your chair, Mini Princess?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh! Why is your table flipped over? Yeah, what happened to that chair over there? I thought chairs were supposed to be sitting on. You know what I mean? Yeah, look at that poor chair. Got knocked over somehow. Oh!
She does the pyramid.
Yeah. Yeah, now you sit down in it. See? I have no idea what you're doing. Okay, what about that other chair over there? What happened? What happened to that one? What's that? Lola knocked it down? Easy. You almost took my eye out. Yeah? Oh, that's not right. You don't stand on chairs. I knew it. I was just worried she was on a Superfly snookered the dog for a second. Oh, see, you almost wiped out. Oh, jumped right off. Oh, you missed it. Watch my dang toes. Got me flinching, kiddo. Hey, I thought you were supposed to be a princess. Lo, I think you better come over here near Daddy. Are you being a happy girl? Huh? Look at me. You being a happy girl? Are you being a happy girl? Yeah, look at that smile. Now that's a good smile. Look, a good puppy. That's a good puppy. He says, I love you. I love you. Yeah. Hey, that's how you get a smile on. Look at that. Oh, look at that smile.
Yeah.
Good girl. Look at that big old smile. Hey, happy girl. Look at that happy girl. Hey, I love you.
I love you.
Can you stop breaking stuff?
Mm-hmm.
No. I said stop. You promise? Hey, you promise? Love you.
Love you.
Out.